welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, today we're working on this 2001 to 2007 Honda Jazz. We're going to be changing the driver's side master control switch. It's going to be a fairly straightforward job, guys. We will have to take the door skin on the interior of the door off, but don't you worry, I'm going to show you how to do all that nice and easy. I'm thinking about 15 minutes to get this job done. Now guys, if you do need this part, we do have them available here at Parts Factory Australia. You could just click on the title of this video, the description will drop down, and yeah, cruise onto the website, order it, get it in your hand, and then yeah, of course, use this video to learn how to fit it, save yourself some money. That's what we're all about here at Parts Factory Australia. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna get out of this hot sun and jump straight into the video. Let's go. Alrighty guys, now the door skin on these Honda Jazzes isn't too difficult to get off. But I did want to just double check that we have to remove the door skin. So we got this plastic piece there, yeah, so it's looking like we will have to. If you notice, we got this big trim piece. Ah, look at that. That whole thing pops off like that. Oh, and wow, there it is right there. So I take it back, and then yeah, this master control switch is literally just sitting there on this trim piece. So guys, at that point, you've got this trim just sitting there, right? And it almost seems like it won't come off, but if you just go straight up into the air, boom, like so. Yeah, so the reason for that, guys, is this piece, that main black piece stops it from going up. And of course, so if you try and go up with that black piece still on, yeah, this little lock here stops it from going up. So you pull the black piece and then you can pop it straight up into the air. Of course, the rest of it's now pretty self-explanatory, guys. Flip the master control switch around, unplug it from the door, and you got your 3 Phillips head screws, 1, 2, and 3. And look at that, guys, nice and easy. Now, I did want to quickly show you the Parts Factory equivalent. This is it here, guys. They are direct plug and play with a 3-year warranty. So if it is what you're looking for, guys, you know how to find it. Click on the title, description pops up, order it. I believe they're $63.30 with free express post Australia-wide. And yes, if you need it, guys, we have FedEx available. So yeah, if you need it anywhere else in the world, we can definitely send it over to you, guys. I'm gonna reinstall the old one. This is obviously a scrap car. So you can literally just come up to the switch, pop it into place. You got your 3 Phillips head screws. Make sure they're nice and tight. They are pretty small, so try not to drop anything. 1, 2, and 3. Guys, same thing in reverse. Plug her in. Placing it into position. And then of course the big plastic cover comes over. And it's kind of just a clip in, guys. You start from the back, making sure everything's lined up. It kind of clipped in like so. Yeah, it is all just pressure clips, guys, so you just got to line it up nice, give it a big hit, and it should go in nice. Oh yeah, I see. Okay, so it wants a bit of a, like that sort of action. So as you come in, yeah, that's much better. Yeah, this front section here was already sticking up when I first started, so I can't seem to get that in correct, but yeah, that's sitting quite well. And that's job done, guys, nice and straightforward. Alrighty guys, that one was just so easy. It's probably one of the easiest master control switches I've ever done in my life. So I trust that everything has gone nice and smoothly. You've got your replacement, it's in your hand, and yeah, you fit it to your car, and now you can wind your windows up, which is what we're looking for, isn't it? Alrighty guys. If you can, give the video a thumbs up just to let me know that this is the type of thing you appreciate and you're interested and you want to see some more of this content. And guys, if you can, subscribe to the channel. We do have a lot of other DIY jobs, even on this car. You know, if you are doing your own DIY repairs on your car, saving yourself some money, any car, guys, yeah, definitely subscribe to the channel. Heaps of content such as this coming out in the very near future. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. My name's Lucas, and I'll see you next time.